All right, so I had a box delivered to my shop today, and if you know, you know, it is my carbon fiber VS style wing. Now, I had to unbox it to inspect it before I signed for the package, so it's technically already unboxed, but we're still going to do a half unboxing on camera so you guys can kind of see it. And I mean, it's packaged really nice. I'm very surprised. So here is the box. The whole thing was, I mean, enclosed in this probably 1/2 inch 3/8 plywood. I just left the top off because couldn't figure out how to get it all back in nicely, and I didn't want to shove it in and crack anything. So I just left the top off, but just know it came, you know, totally wrapped, stapled down, covered in this plywood box. Sorry, chat. We got a bloody nose, so we just threw a plug in her. Anyways, let's pull this bad boy out. Look at the size of this thing. This is crazy. We'll get some close-ups in a little bit. All right, we got it all unboxed. Let's take the stock wing off the car. It should just be some 10 mil bolts underneath here. Should be, oops, 3 there and then 3 on the other side. All right, we got all the screws out, or the bolts off. Let's all right, now the tricky part. You got to take it off and not let this absolutely slam up. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna clean some of this dirty crap off. That way when we put the new bases on here, it's not gonna scratch it all up. Not that it matters anyways, it's a wrap, but you know, I gotta keep it clean. Supposedly these bases line up with the OEM holes. We're gonna see how true. Oh my gosh. I mean, we're at least 3 out of 4, so that's good. Let's the only thing is, it's so scratched from where my wing was before. I think it's gonna show, but that's okay because this is getting changed soon. All right, we're just gonna do a snug fit for now. All we can get are 2 without having to drill a hole into my trunk. So I'm curious on what I want to do there. Because my other wing only had 2 screws, but it also had pop clips. So I don't know what I want to do there yet. But the fitment looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I'll probably end up having to drill it. I'm hoping I can get away with not having to do a super big hole, but we'll see. Let's get the other side on. Install the struts. I believe they go on the inside of these. We're gonna do hardware out, not hardware out, but you know, the nice finish out. Let me turn this so you guys can see it. Oh. Are some of these different lengths? Because those are too short, guys. Those are too short. Let's see if there's two different lengths. Hold on, let me grab the keys. Oh my gosh, did I grab... Oh my god. I did, I grabbed all short ones. Huh, I wonder what the short ones go to. Probably this, maybe? I don't know. Let's try this again. All right, let's see. This has got to be a better fit. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's freaking open up the trunk again, because I'm an idiot. I'm curious. Oh, we're gonna miss the window. That's fire. All right, long one. Oh, are these all shorts? These are all short ones. So that means I put the long ones. Oh. Oh yeah, they gave me, because how many do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got extra. All right, let's see how the top fits. Holy cow, you guys. Oh my god. Oh, my tripod's being a... Yo. Oh no, my stock wing. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Let me get this bolted. What angle we want it at here. This looks absolutely insane. Holy cow. All right, moment of truth. Oh my God. I can't get 2 fingers through it, so probably like 1.25 inches maybe between the glass and the wing. All right, we've got this crazy thing installed. Let's tighten down all the nuts and bolts, and I'm kind of want to back it out and look at it. The only thing that sucks, which I might be able to get rid of some of it, is that all the way around where the OEM one was. So like, yes, it does use the holes, but that's dumb. I might be able to get rid of some of it, but technically it really doesn't matter because his carbon trunk is on the way. So, yo, I can't see it in the rear view. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This totally changes the look of the car. Holy cow. Oh my Lord. That is unbelievable. That is the coolest thing. Oh my God. This totally ties the back end together. Oh, hold on. Let me get a shot of the back. Yo. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, that is freaking crazy. Stay tuned for technically part 2 when the carbon trunk comes in. It's shipped from California from customs. So yeah, hopefully that'll be up soon. Oh my God, you guys, I've got to air it out. I've got to air it out and get a shot of it aired out. Hold on. Oh, the best part. Yo, oh my God, that looks so sick. Oh my God. I'm geeking, bro. Geeking.